Good morning, students. Welcome back to your GK and aptitude class. As we have completed chapter 3 classification up to number C, okay, of your aptitude book. So today we will start D classification numbers. We have to encircle the odd one out. So you can see the numbers 981, 873, 765, 657, 540. So from 981, if we minus 8, the answer will be 873. So from 873, if you do minus 8, answer will be 765. Same way, if you do minus 8, answer is 657. If we do minus 8, the answer is 549, not 540. So this is odd. Okay. Now number 2. 761, 913, 615, 772, 865. Odd one is 772. How? Because 1, 3, 5, 5. These are odd numbers, but 2 is even here. Okay. So last digit 2 is even here. So this is odd. 482, 492. This should be 502. Why? Because from 482, if you do plus 10, then it will be 492. If we do plus 10 with 492, the answer will be 502. 502 with 502 will do plus 10, then 512 plus 10, then 522. So it is given 500. This one is odd. Number C. Number 4. 570, 520, 420, 320, 220. So you can see 220, 320, 420, 520, then this should be 620. Okay. So this one is odd because it is given 570. Number 5. 600, 640, 700, 750, 800. You can see the difference is of 50. So from after 600, it should be 650. Then again plus 50, 700 plus 50, 750 plus 50, 800. So this should be 650. Here it is given 640. So this is odd one. Number B is odd. So next 5 is your homework. You have to find out the odd one. Okay. Now let us move on to E. Here also we have to encircle the odd one. Okay. See, P54, R50, T46, V42, X39. So P leaving Q R, leaving S T, leaving U V, leaving W X. 54, 50 means 54 minus 4 is 50. 50 minus 4 is 46. 46 minus 4 is 42. And 42 minus 4 is 38 and not 39. So this is odd. X 99, W 79, V 59, U 29, T 19. So T U V W X 19. This should be 39 because 20 difference is there. 19, 39, 59, 79, 99. So this is odd one because this will not be 29. Okay. Now number 3. BC 15, DE 20, FG 35, HI 45, JK 55. So B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K. Here it is similar, but 15, after that it should be 25 because 10 difference is there. 15, 25, 35, 45, 55. So it is given 20. So this one is odd. Number 4. 40A, 90D, 140F, 190G, 240J. So you can see after A leaving B, C, D is there. But after D leaving E, F, only one difference. Leaving E, F, leaving G, H, leaving I, J. Here we find 2. So this one is odd. And from this side if you see 40 plus 50 is 90, 90 plus 50 is 140, 140 plus 50 is 190, 190 plus 50 is 240. So only the difference is it should be B. Okay, B, C, D. So A is odd. This one is odd. Now let us see AZ9, CX8, EW7, GT6, IR5. So A leaving B, C, leaving D, E, leaving F, G, leaving H, I. Okay. From this side if you see R leaving S, T, leaving U, it should be V, no? W is there. V leaving W, X, leaving Y, Z. So this should be V. So this is odd. Number C. Now the next 5 is your homework. You will find out on your own. Now let us move on to ranking. Chapter number 4 is ranking. So we have to answer the following questions. Romi is 7 ranks ahead of Sumit from the last in a class of 39. If Sumit's rank is 17 from the last, what is Romi's rank from the start? Okay. Now there are 39 students in a class. Okay. Out of this 39, 17th rank is Sumit's, but from the last. So from the last we have to count up to 17 from 39. 39, 38, 37. From there if you count up to 17, it will be 23. So 23 from the last is Sumit's rank. So Romi is 7 ranks ahead of Sumit. So 23 minus 7 is equal to 16. So this answer will be 16. Romi's rank from the start is 16. Now number 2. In a row of 10 boys where Sohit was shifted by 2 places towards the left, he became 7th from the left end. What was his earlier position from the right end of a row? For this we have to understand from here. Let us see. In a row there are 10 boys. Okay, in a row there are 10 boys. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. 2 more circles will be there. Okay, 10. Then it is said that Sohit was shifted by 2 places towards the left. If Sohit was sitting in this row, then he was shifted to 2 places. If he was sitting here, then from the left side 1, 2. 2 places he was shifted. Okay. But it is given that he became 7th from the left end. So from the left end he became 7th. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. He is sitting in the 7th place here. Okay. So here he is sitting. So what was his earlier position from the right end? So he was shifted to 2 places back. So 2 places back. This is his place now. So 2 places back. So his position was here. Means second. He was sitting in second bench. From here he was shifted 2 places. So here he is sitting now. So his earlier place was here. That is second. So the answer is second. 3 persons A, B, C are standing in a queue. Means they are standing in a line. There are 5 persons between A and B and 8 persons between B and C. If there are 3 persons ahead of C and 21 persons behind A, what could be the minimum number of persons in a queue? For this, let us see here. Between A and B, it is said 5 persons. Okay. Between B and C, 8 persons. And ahead of C, it is given 3 persons, and behind A, 21 persons. If we add the total, counting A, B and C also, so the answer will be 40. So answer is 40. Okay. So let us see option. In the option 40 is given. So 40 is the answer. So number 4. In a row of trees, one tree is fifth from either end of the row. So how many trees are there in a row? For this, let us see. There are trees from the first also, that tree's rank is 5, and from the last also, that tree is 5th. So let us see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So from last also it will be 5th position, and from first also 5th position. So how many trees are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So 9 trees are there. Okay, in the option 9 is there. Okay. So number 5. In a queue, Sunita is 10th from the front, while Gokul is 25 from the behind. Okay. And Mamta is just in the middle of 2. If there be 50 persons in a queue, what position does Mamta occupy from the front? For understanding this, I have already marked up to 50. Okay, because 50 students were there. Okay, so in a line there were 50. So Gokul's rank is 25 from behind. If we count from behind, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. So Gokul's rank is here, 26. Okay. And then comes Sunita. Sunita is 10th from the front. From the front up to 10, Sunita is here. Then Mamta is sitting in or standing in a queue between Sunita and Gokul. Between Sunita and Gokul. Let us see. Between it should be, the answer will be 18. Why? Because 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 18 is the middle. So the answer will be 18. Okay. So the next 5 is your homework. Okay. I have already made you understand how to do it. So just try and solve. Okay. So the next class we will start chapter number 5, logical sequence of words. So till then, take care. Bye and thank you, children.